So let's search for Burp Suite on your favorite browser and click on the first link out there, which is portswigger.net, and go to the download section. And at this time I will show you how to install the free edition, but the professional edition, the process is pretty much the same. So once you download, you can save it to your desktop. So I went to the download section, so I will move it to the desktop so it's easily accessible. So after copying Burp to desktop, you can simply double click on it to launch it. So accept the license agreement, and you can see Burp has been successfully installed on your desktop.